Welcome back to our tutorial. So in this video, we are going to add multiple forms and of course we are going to modify or to add controls and modify the properties of the controls. Okay, so first we're going to add new form, okay, in here. So we're going to add FRMRL colleges. Okay, so I'm going to choose add and then Windows form. So I will choose or I will use FRM RL colleges. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, mas madaling ma-identify yung purpose ng form kapag nakarename siya ng properly. Okay, so FRM RL colleges. Okay, let's click add. Okay, so ayan na siya. So we will also change the property again. First, the border style. Okay, the form border style should be fixed single or fixed dialog. So I will choose fixed dialog here. So I will also change the font to 12. Okay, the font style or the font size rather. I will choose 12 and then the minimize and maximize box, I will set it to false. Okay, since this is RL. Okay, yan. Okay, so this time we'll now show the two forms. This one, the RL colleges and RL users. Okay, sa ating menu. Okay, so in here, so first we're going to declare a variable. Okay, sa ating MDI form. So just double click your MDI form and then on the upper topmost portion of your codes, just below your class, your public class. Okay, dito we are going to declare a variable. Say, let's say dim FRM. So FRM is just a user-defined variable. So you can use any variable name. Okay, so FRM as Windows dot form. Yeah, dim FRM as Windows dot form. Okay, so this time we will now go back to our design. Okay, in here and then I will double click users menu. Okay, yung ating MNU users. So I will just double click this one. Okay, so ito na. Okay, MNU users, click event. Okay, so in here I will put the codes on how to show a form. Okay, so I'll just change this one and then I will explain it to you on how these codes work. Okay, so FRM RL users. Okay, so this is users. Okay, so kung mapansin nyo, ito yung ating dineclare kanina, this one, FRM. So, ginamit siya dito. So, yung FRM na variable, isa siyang Windows form. Okay, yung ating FRM. So, yung ating FRM ngayon dito, ang value niya ay RL users, which is ito. RL users, yun yung value niya. So, ang hahawakan ni FRM na Windows form, since Windows form siya, ang hahawakan niya ay si RL users. Okay? Tapos ito, frm.mdi parent equals me. So, ibig sabihin, ang parent daw, ang MDI parent ni FRM ay ako. So, saan ba tayo nagko-code? Nagko-code tayo sa FRM main, sa ating MDI. Okay, so MDI is a parent form. Okay, so sabi ni FRM, or sabi ni MDI, ang parent, okay, ang MDI parent ni FRM ay ako. Okay, so FRM.MDI parent equals me, and then you are going to set the text, okay, of the RL users. Ito yung lalabas doon sa kanyang title bar. Okay, and then you're going to use show. Do not use show dialog kasi magkakaroon siya ng error. Dapat show lang kasi nga sa parent siya lalabas. Okay? So, frm.show. So, if you try to run your program, okay, try natin dito. Okay, yan. And then, users. Yan. So, lumabas yung ating users na form. Okay? So, itry din nating ipakita yung ating RL colleges. So, I will just copy this one. I will copy this one. And then, we'll go to the menu. MNU colleges here. Okay? Double click. And then, I will paste it here and modify. So, this should be FRM, RL colleges. And then, also this one. FRM, RL colleges. And then, we will change the text to colleges. Yeah. So, you might pause it while doing it. So if I will run this one, okay, I will show two forms, okay, in a single form. So multiple forms. Example, users, tapos yung ating colleges. So yan, kung mapansin nyo, there are already two forms opened, okay, in our container. So it can open multiple, it allows, MDI form allows you, since this is multiple document interface, this one, the MDI form here, it allows you to open multiple documents or multiple forms, yeah, multiple forms, okay, in a single window, okay. So example, if you move it here, it will automatically show or display the scroll bar here. Okay, if you will put it down also, okay, the vertical scroll bar will also show, okay, is here. Okay, so ganyan ka powerful ang ating MDI form. Okay, so don't forget na sinet natin to kanina yung ating MDI form ng yung kanyang property na is MDI container equals true. So this time, you can now open multiple forms in a single window using your MDI container. Okay, so that's it. I'll go back to the codes here. Okay, so I hope you are doing great also. I hope it's working in your own workstation. Okay, so the next is I will put button, okay, in RL users. So I will look for RL users here, RL users, and then I will put button. Let's say add button. Okay. So as you observe here, no, sa ating menu dito, if I will run this one, change yung kanyang color as I press the button or as I over or hover, okay, the mouse in the button. So example, I will just run this one to show you. So like this one, okay. So I change also the cursor to hand, and then if you put the mouse over the button, it will change the color, and if you press the button, it will change also, but just a little difference in terms of the shade. But as you observe, green lang yung kanyang base, green, tapos nag-change lang yung kanyang shade. May dark and then mayroong pwedeng darker. Okay? So, ganyan siya. So, we'll also do this one. Okay? Para mas interactive yung design ng ating application. Okay? We'll go back here. So, we'll put button also. So, you look for button and then just double click. Okay? Yan. This time, we will change the border style of the button. So let's go. So make sure to select this one, button 1. Okay, before that, let's rename the button. So this is btn add. Okay, this used as you click this one, later as you click the add button, it will display, or it will show the FRM AE users. Okay, so that will be our next activity also. Okay, so meantime, let's focus here on the button. Okay, so I already changed the name to BTN add. Okay, BTN add, and then I will change the border style. Okay, the border style, I'll just look for it, and then I think it's the flat appearance. Okay, not the border style. It's the flat appearance. Sorry, I'll just go to flat appearance. This one, flat appearance. Okay, but before that, to do this one, you should change this one first, the flat style. This is standard, so you cannot change the some of the properties. No, it will not take effect if you change it. Unless you are going to change it to flat. This one. Okay, yung flat style niya dapat flat. Okay, so makita nyo dyan, flat na yung button natin. Okay, now I'll go back there. Flat appearance. This one, flat appearance. So just expand. Okay, this one, just click the cross. Okay, to expand. Okay, in this one, okay, we have the mouse over as you put the mouse over the button, and mouse down as you click the button. Okay, mouse over when you put the mouse in the button, and mouse down when you click the button. It's like this. I'll just show you. I'll just demonstrate it. Okay, so by default, that's the back color of the button. So this is mouse over, and this is mouse down. Yeah, naka-click yan. I'm just holding the left, okay, click of the left click. Okay, I'm just pressing it. Okay, that one. Okay, so I'll go back there. So this video is not edited. Okay, so please bear with me. So this is just a classroom setting. Okay, tutorial. So I'll go back to the application. So this time I will change first the back color. Okay, back color. So I will choose like um, okay, difficult to choose. I will just choose green also. The same with the LDH, the records patient records monitoring system or management system there. And then I will choose also I will change the fore color to make it more visible. Okay, fore color here. I will choose white. This one there. Okay, and then you may pause this video while doing it in your workstation, and then I am going to change the flat appearance. Okay, so mouse over when you put the mouse on top of the button. So I choose green, and then I will choose lighter. Okay, mouse down, I will choose what, darker or lighter. This one, mouse down there. So if I will try this one, okay, so I will also change the back color, sorry, the border style will make it black. Okay, there. Okay, so when you run your application, you will see the difference. Okay, there. Okay, so as I click it, okay, there. Okay, so as what I've said, we can also change the cursor to hand. Okay, make sure to choose the button, okay, not the form, because when you choose the form and change the cursor, all objects in your form, okay, will have hand cursor. Okay, so it will become confusing. So you have to choose the btn add and change the cursor to hand. Okay, it's okay. Can we found the last what's the last value in here? Hand. Okay, so that when you run your application, okay, users and then here, yeah, hand na yung ating cursor. Okay, so mas interactive yung ating design. Okay, para mas buhay siya. Okay, nagre-react siya. Okay, now, so this time, as you click the add button naman, okay, as you click the add button here, so I will also change the text of the button to add. Okay, so yan. As you click this one, another form will display. Okay, so yun na yung ating AE form. So I will add another form. So right click your project and then add Windows form, and then here FRM AE for add edit. Okay, AE users. Yan. Mas madali mag-debug kapag ganito yung ating naming conventions. Okay, alam natin na ito ay for add edit, ito naman yung list ng users. Okay? So, this time, I will change the border style to fix single or fix dialog again, and then yung kanyang control box. Okay? Yung kanyang control box. Yan. Control box. Hanapin ko yung kanyang control box, i-force ko siya. Okay? Yan. Force na siya. So, wala na yung minimize, maximize, and the close box. Okay? So, yung font niya also, change ko din siya ng 12. Okay. Yan. Okay. So, I'll go back to RL users. Okay. Pag wala yung form natin dito, okay, example, na-close yan, you can just go here to your Solution Explorer and double-click the form. Okay, like this. So, this time, I will double-click this one, yung ating RL users. Sorry, yung ating FIM, ating BTN add. I will double-click. So, I double-click the BTN add, okay, and then I will display this one, AE users. Okay, so FRM AE users dot show. So, meron tayong dot show, meron din tayong dot show dialog. So, I will show you the difference. Okay. So, i-run ko muna yung ating application dito. Okay, then users. And then, just click this one, add. Okay, so ito na yung ating form. Okay. Ngayon, yung dot show, okay, kapag click ko yung likod ng form na to, magtatago siya. So, I will try it. Ayan, nawala na yung ating form. Pero actually, nandyan lang siya, nag-hide lang siya. Nag-hide lang siya. Okay? So, yun yung disadvantage kapag dot show ang ginamit nyo dito sa ating mga AE forms. So, dapat, gagamit tayo ng dot show dialog. Okay? Show dialog dapat. So, paano? Just use show dialog here. Dot show dialog. Yan. Okay? Para kahit i-click natin yung likod ng ating form, hindi siya magtatago. Okay? Yung show dialog kasi, it will make sure that the form will be always on top of other forms. Okay? Nasa top dapat siya. Nasa top lang siya. So, this one. Okay, so, kahit i-click ko ngayon yung likod, hindi na siya magtatago. Okay? Ngayon, problema, paano natin i-close ngayon yan? Close. Okay. Dali lang naman. Just go to your application and this one. This is stop debugging. Okay. So this time, paano natin nalagyan ng ng paano natin ko-close yung ating form? So, okay, pag AE user, you can choose also, you can use the same button. So, ang ginagawa ko usually, magde-design ako ng isang button na common to all. Okay, I will design this one. Itong add button dito, you can use this one na for the entire program, like add, edit, delete, ganyan. So, example, ganito, add. Just Control C to copy and then Control V, paste. Yan. Tapos, i-click ko lang yan yung edit. Sorry, edit. Tapos, Control C, Control V, delete. Yan. Tapos, ito naman, use ko to ng btn edit. Okay, btn edit, btn delete. Okay. Tapos, yung ating AE user, paste ko rin dito yung close or cancel. Okay, so i-rename ko rin to ng btn cancel. Okay, btn cancel. Yan. So, anong code nito? Okay. I will also demonstrate the difference between me.close at me.dispose. Example, this one. I will put text box, no? I will put text box sa ating form just to demonstrate the difference between dispose and close. Text box. Okay. Okay. This one. So I have text box one here. Okay. So I will put code first me dot close. Okay. So if you run this one, me dot close. Okay. Just observe. Okay. Okay, so I put characters there. Cancel. So using the me.close. Pag-click ko ng add, andun pa rin yung ating characters. So hindi siya nagre-refresh. Andyan pa rin siya. Okay? So, hindi appropriate na gamitin ang me.close kapag AE forms. Yung mga ganito na kailangan mo i-refresh yung form. Okay? So, ang ginagamit ay me.dispose. Okay, dapat i-dispose mo siya. Dispose. Para paglabas ng form, wala na yung mga recently added na or entered na characters. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, add. So, maglagay ko dyan ng any characters. Tapos, ito, cancel. Okay. Nandyan lang siya. Usually, nangyayari talaga yan. Hindi yan defect. Okay, or error. Okay, baka sabihin nyo, sir, nawala na. Nandyan lang siya. You can just minimize this one and here. Okay. So, click mo ng add, wala na. Yan. Pag cancel, click mo ng add, nawawala siya. Kasi nga, we use dispose. Okay. So, one thing more, kung mapasin nyo, paglabas ng form, yung AE, dapat usually pag AE, nasa center siya ng screen. Center screen. So, dito natin ina-apply yung property na start position. Okay? Yung ating center screen na property, okay, ay na value, okay? So, I'll go back there to sa ating AE users in here. Make sure to select AE users. Okay? AE users. Tapos, hanapin ko yung start position niya. Start position. Here. It should be center screen. Para pag center screen. Para pag lumabas siya, nasa center na siya ng screen. Okay? So, example, ito na yung actual na output natin. Okay? Users, add, yan, nasa center na siya ng screen. Okay? Paano kapag gusto mo i-change itong ating text nito? Pag-click ko ng add, ang text niya, edit. Pag-click ko ng add, ang text niya, add. Okay? Pag-click ko ng edit, ang text niya dapat edit. Okay? Madali lang naman yan. So, dito sa ating, pag ganito pansin nyo, naka-close na siya pero running pa rin siya. Kaya meron siyang padlock. So, just click this one. Okay? So, dito sa ating, RL users, pag-click ko ng add, dapat yung text niya, add. Okay? So, frm AE users that text equals add. Yan. So, because we will use the same form, adding and editing, okay, na activity, okay. When you add, we will use AE users. When you edit, we will still use AE users, okay. So, we will use the same form in adding and editing of records, okay. So, I will copy this one. Tapos, doon sa ating RL users, pag-click ko ng edit, yan, ang kanyang text ay edit. So, pag nirun natin yan, malamang edit na, di ba? Malamang add saka edit na. Okay, so let's try this one. Users, add, yan. Ano ba yung chinek natin na property niya? Sorry. Yan. Kung mapapansin nyo, tama naman yung code natin, di ba? Tama naman siya. Pero ang problema, pinakita mo na siya, di ba? Lumabas na siya bago natin change yung kanyang text. So, baliktad. Dapat i-change mo na yung text. I-change mo muna yung text bago lalabas yung form. Okay? Kasi lumabas na siya tapos change mo, wala na. Nagpakita na siya bago ka nag-change. So, we have to exchange the sequence. Okay, mauna dapat yung pag-change muna ng text bago yung display ng form. So, let's try it again. Okay. Add. So, add na yung ating text dito. Okay. Nag-maximize na siya. If you double-click this one. Okay. So, nangyayari ito sa Windows 11. Okay, or Windows 10. Nangyayari yan. If you double-click the text, the title bar, mag-maximize siya. But other version, hindi naman ganun. Okay, so hindi yan error. Nasa capability ng ating operating system. Okay, so click ko naman yung edit ngayon. Edit. Ayan, edit yung lumalabas dito. Edit. Okay. Ayan. Okay. Ngayon, paano pag-click ko yung exit? Pag-click ko na exit, dapat hindi muna siya mag-exit. Tatanungin niya muna, do you really want to exit? Ganun sana. Or itong close box or itong exit menu. Pag-click ko yan, dapat sabi niya, do you really want to exit? Ayan. Meron siyang confirmation muna from the user kung talaga gusto yung execute na ba. Kasi accidentally lang na-click yan. Okay, so gawin din natin yan. I think that will be the last part of this tutorial. Okay, so let's do it also. Okay, so dito sa ating main, since yung main ang kino-close natin, no, ating design. Okay, this one. Just double click this one para punta kayo sa load event niya. Load event. Okay. Again, just go to main and then double click. Then dito na kayo sa load event. Ngayon, hanapin natin ang form closing. Form closing event. Yan. Alphabetically arranged naman yan. Form closing event. This one. Form closing. Yan. So, form closing. Before siya mag-close, gagawin niya to. Okay? So, we're going to put our code here. Okay? So, remember your control structure using if. So, same structure lang naman sila. Okay? This time, we'll apply it here. Hindi yung if A equals 1. Hindi lang ganun. Okay? Meron siyang statement, meron siyang condition na magtutrue or false siya. Okay, so if MSG box, so ito na, paglalabas ito. If MSG box, sorry, if MSG box, do you really want to exit? So ito ang nagsusunod na gagawin natin. So ito yung lalabas na question. Tapos ito yung next dito is yung mga button niya. Okay. Example, yes or no. Yes, no. Do you want to exit? So ang lalabas, yes or no na button. Dalawa lang. Okay. Tapos plus, okay, ano ang kanyang icon? Okay? Ano yung kanyang icon? Ang icon niya ay question. So we have information, yung letter I ang lumalabas. We have critical. Okay, yun yung X na red. Meron naman tayong exclamation, yun yung parang exclamation mark na yellow. Parang warning lang siya. Okay? Plus, so this is question. Yan. Actually, pwede magkabaliktad to eh. You may interchange the position of this one. Pwedeng icon muna bago yung button. Okay lang yun. Okay. So, tinatanong niya kung if message box daw, do you really want to exit? Kapag pre-nest ng user ang yes, yes, di ba? Exit equals BBS. Yan. Yes. Yan. Kapag yes ang pinili ng user, then, anong gagawin niya? And. Else, kapag no ang pinili ng user, ang lalabas naman ay, ito, e.cancel equals true. Okay. Cancel niya. Parang, no. So, hindi niya na itutuloy yung pag-close ng form. So, itry ko muna dito, no? Okay. Kaya magkamali pala ako dito, no? Okay. So, this time, let's wait for a while. And then, this one, close. Yan. Do you really want to exit? Yes or no? So, no. Yan. Ayaw niya mag-exit. Yan. Do you want to exit? Yes. Nag-end na siya. Okay? So, itong ating bot, so yun ito yung ginagamit siya to, yun naman, before closing, it will confirm the user kung talagang gusto niyang i-exit yung application. So, itong ano natin, design ng ating message box, okay? So, if you can see this one, yung anong lumalabas na message box natin dito, yan, meron siyang yes, no, tapos yung question, itong icon niya na dito, question mark, ito. Yan, question mark. So, ipakita ko lang yung iba. Example, like, last name is empty. Kunwari lang, gano'n lang nalabas, no? Last name is empty. Tapos, gawin mo siyang exclamation. Tapos, gawin mo siyang, ano lang to, okay. Okay lang. Okay only. Sorry, saan na siya nagpunta? Okay only. Okay only. Yan. So, lalabas dyan. Kita natin dito, ha. Pero, syempre, this is inappropriate already kasi iba rin lumalabas. Yan. Yan. Okay only, yung button niya, tapos exclamation. Pwede rin yung yung critical. Okay? Like, incorrect password, gano'n. Critical ang gamitin natin. Okay. So, hindi ko na close yan. I have to go here. Okay. I-change ko ulit. Balik ko sa dati. Yes, no. Tapos, question. Okay. Kung mapansin nyo, yung title ng ating message box, okay, dito, title niya, yan, may sample app. Kinukuha niya lang yung pangalan ng ating project, may sample app. You can change this one also dun sa property ng ating sa appearance ng ating ating message box. Dito lang, comma, tapos yung title niya na gusto. Like exit. Yan, exit. Yan na yung lalabas sa taas ng ating message box. So, try ko muna. Okay. So, dito, exit. Ay, wala pa palang content. Sorry. Assuming, no? Okay. So, exit dito. Do you really want to exit? Yan. Wala ako sa focus ko. Doon dapat yung sa title niya. Okay. Nakalimutan ko tuloy i-explain or ipakita. Okay, dito. So, mapapansin nyo, hindi na siya may sample up. Exit na siya. Okay, so pansinin nyo, ito yung tinatanong niya, no? Ito. Do you really want to exit? Yan. Do you really want to exit? Okay, ito yon. Okay, tapos, yes, no. Yun yung kanyang buttons na nandito. Yes, no. Tapos, question. Yun yung kanyang icon. Okay. Tapos, yung kanyang text. Exit. Ito yon. Okay, para mas presentable yung itsura ng ating message box. Okay? So, yan. So, paano pag yung sa may menu naman ang nalagyan natin? Okay? Sa menu. Gusto kong lagyan yung menu. Okay. Pag click ko ng menu na exit, mag-exit din siya. Okay. Ito lang naman siya. Me that close. Yan. Kasi i-close mo lang din naman, di ba? Para lalabas din yung message box pag form closing siya. Example, exit. Yan. Do you want to exit? Kasi form closing. Remember, nasa form closing event tayo. So, form closing event. Sana siya. Yan, form closing. So, every time you close the form, so, pag papasara na siya, tatanong nyo muna. Okay, no. Yan. Form closing. Lalabas siya. Yes. Okay. Ayan. So, in this video, we have tried to display multiple forms. And then, of course, this one, mag-add ng AI user, mag-manipulate ng button. Okay, ganito. Yung kanyang property o kanyang appearance, no? Para mas interactive yung itsura ng buttons. Okay, so ang technique dyan, you make one button as your model. Okay, and then you copy-paste it in different forms. Okay, so in the next video, I will also teach you how to put icon in your button. Okay, para mas maganda yung kanyang itsura, gaya ng mga sample na nandito. Okay, I'll just show you some of the examples here. Okay. Yan, meron siyang mga buttons, save, cancel. Okay, meron siyang mga icons. Okay. So, i-try rin natin yung mga yan. I will show you RL form here, na sample dito. Yan. Lab category, this one. So, yan. Add, edit, delete, close. So, dapat yung mga icons nyo, consistent din dapat. Like, kung add, yan lahat ang itsura. Pag edit, ganyan ang itsura. Hindi yung kakaiba. Because later on, magkakaroon ng impact yan sa user na same system yung ginagamit niya, pero parang bakit ang hirap gamitin. Kasi magkakaiba yung symbol na nakikita niya. So, dapat parang kulay pa lang, alam niyang siya yun. Okay, mga ganon. Madali, kahit medyo nabilis na yung pag-move ng mouse niya, kahit kulay pa lang yung nakita niya na, oh, ito red, delete, ganyan. Okay, ito may lapis, edit. Kahit hindi niya na binabasa yung text na nakalagay dyan sa ating mga buttons. So, yun din ang ituturo ko sa susunod na video tutorials natin. Okay? So, yan muna for this video. I hope you have learned something. Okay? So, in our next video, okay, we will try to put icons, okay, and some other objects in our form. Okay? So, see you in our next video.